Mama always said life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Welcome to Utah! Let's make lunch. We're gonna make something, let's just say South American, Central American, Mexican influenced. Since we are cooking underneath the Mexican hat. See it right there? That's our spot. We're going to make a bacon cheeseburger today. Nothing special. But what is special is we're going to make plantains with some honey on top. So frying up some bacon. We're going to start calling the 2-minute bacon, because that's all it takes. 2 minutes and it's done. Plantains. Man, I love plantains. Sometimes it's just dessert, something sweet, This patty's a tri-tip beef patty. It looked really good. So decided to give it a chance. Normally I like to buy my own ground beef, but ooh, these are getting done. Still learning the grill, definitely. Man, these were quick. Should have known. But they're nice and caramelized. That's good. I'm going to turn this side down a little bit. Just let them finish cooking on the inside. But when you choose a plantain, you want to choose one that's black, almost black, on the verge of turning black. On the outside, but not burned. So we'll set them over here to the side. Monster cheese on the burger. Little bacon. Plantains. Oh man, this is gonna be a treat. A real treat. All right, let's assemble this bad boy. So I got ketchup, mustard, and mayo. We're gonna put lettuce, pico, and avocado on it. So let's get this one out of the way. Let me get a spoon. Start off with the pico. Like I said, man, I'm on a pico kick. And that's just how it goes. You gotta let these cravings play themselves out. It's bad not to follow what your body is asking you for. I'm telling you, pico, I don't know what's going on with the pico, but I don't know if it's from eating every meal for 7 weeks outside. Makes me crave al fresco stuff. Not sure what it is. You know, like fresh salsa, summery stuff. I don't know. Just half of an avocado there. Tiny bit of salt. When I do avocado, I'm thinking salt. A little salt on the plantains too. Avocado without salt is just not right. It's just not right. All right, I think that's done. Let's get this out of the way. last but not least, honey. A little bit of honey, just a little bit. These plantains are actually pretty, they look sweet. They were pretty ripe and then I let them ripen. It's beautiful organic honey. Just a little drizzle. Can you guys see? Just a little drizzle, very light drizzle on top. That's how you do it right there. Let's see how this burger tastes. Sure does look good, doesn't it? The tri-tip is tasty. Irony. Definitely has more flavor than chuck. How about these plantains? Oh man. That is like dessert right there. Oh man, perfect. Honeyed plantains grilled under a Mexican hat, Utah.